Hey guys, and welcome to a Get Ready with Me. I'm currently in Bali on a solo trip and I am planning to go to a music festival alone. Now, if you truly think about it, it does sound like a bad idea, but the good thing is that I don't think about things. So I am pretty okay with this idea. So this is the first option. I honestly really like it because it has a lot of threads and I am also hanging by a thread. So I think this outfit truly represents who I am. But the only issue is when I got this outfit, it fit me perfectly. And so I paid 22,000 rupees for it, and now I can't seem to fit into it. God knew that I would look too hot and sexy in this outfit, so he made sure कि मुझे ये outfit fit ही ना आए. क्योंकि अभी जब मेरा थोपड़ा ऐसा दिखता है तब मैं इतना attitude दिखाती हूँ, तो जब मैं hot दिखूंगी तब मैं कितना attitude दिखाऊंगी. So thank you Bhagwan ji for keeping me humble. Love you. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. Now you might think the top is too revealing, but you know what else is too revealing? My ChatGPT history. And that would reveal the fact that I am psychotic. So my clothing is the least problematic thing about me. Anyway, this skirt also has shorts attached. And इस generation में जहाँ पे किसी को एक दूसरे के साथ strings भी attach नहीं करने, I feel safer in this skirt than I have felt in any other relationship of my life. Okay, so I've added some accessories and I've done the only makeup look I know how to do. I like to call this makeup look modern dating क्योंकि मैं चाहे जितना मर्जी effort डाल लूँ 10 मिनट में ये गायब हो जाएगा. And no matter what I do, I can't make it stay. I'm going to add some crystals so that it looks like I gave a fuck about this outfit. At least a little. बहन मेरे से नेल्स के साथ कुछ भी काम नहीं हो पाता है, which on most days is fine by me क्योंकि as an influencer मैं on a daily basis कुछ काम करती भी नहीं हूँ. But the one time I need. Okay. Lastly, I'm adding some roll-on. If you think you don't need roll-on, babe, only you think that. The people next to you think that you do need it. Take this as a sign and put some roll-on today. Okay, love you. Bye.